some advantages that most women fear, parang getting older and then ganun. But what are things to look forward to? Because parang when people see you, they're like, good, diba?
You mean,
Hashtag
what are the things to look
Like
forward to in general for women my age, or you mean me personally?
For women,
Just
parang
general.
it may actually even be parang more beneficial, advantageous than having like a 20-year-old girl. Not
Yeah, you mean for women nga my age. I keep saying that nga eh. Ang saya-saya lang talaga to be my age. It really is. Kasi I've experienced na so much that I am wiser. Plus, I've worked so hard, I am richer. I can now do anything I want. No, really, you're responsible pa. Because you've learned na nga your lessons. It's so nice to be my age. And I keep telling that to younger girls, don't fear it. And at the same time, I also keep telling the young girls, don't rush into it. Because you know how young girls, I remember what it was like, I was 18 and I wanted to look like I was 25 so I could enter the disco. Throwback. Throwback. In case some of you don't know what that is, it's called a discotheque. Okay? That's where we used to party, which now you call clubs. But yeah, I tell kids these days, don't rush, I mean, there's so much time for that to grow. Diba? But when you're there, don't fear it. Don't fear age because it's just really all in the mind and it's all in the heart. And honestly, I'm 47, but my mind is 24. I swear. I'm just wiser. But I am just as childish and kengkoy and barok as I was when I was 24. So some people are shocked. When they probably, when they read my tweets, they wonder, like, is that really Dawn? Yeah, it's really me. I speak in several languages. I speak in English, I speak Tagalog, and I speak Baroque. Okay, I speak Baroque. Yun. So, yeah, it's fun. It's fun.
thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next question will come from, sino si Oreo na ba? Oh, you're good. I think Jude here has a, sige, sige.
So talaga.
Hello. For Miss GT, what's the most challenging part of writing the story, and for the actors, what's the most challenging while shooting the film? Part.
The challenging part in writing the script, doing the story.
Of course, I co-wrote this with Jeff Stelton. I've never worked with him before, but he's been working with Gino. So it's always a challenge when you co-write with someone. It goes back and forth, and then you think about the scenes and then the dialogue. It's hard to edit each other. I mean, technically speaking, but the challenge mainly was to give truth to the characters. I mean, all of them equally because they're all superstars, diba? So we had to be fair to every single character. So I think that was the main challenge. I think we were able to do that naman. Everybody had a story to tell. Lahat may character transformation. So I think that turned out okay. So there.
Okay, thank you. Miss Dawn,
My challenge.
yeah.
She was right. I mean, yeah, all of that put together, it's nice. It's great to work. The only really challenge for me is the stare of Papa P. Kasi every time he stares at you, you melt. And that's so distracting.
I know, right?
Huh? Really so distracting. So that was a challenge for me. Wala pang shirt. Oh, ba't ba? Diba, but that doesn't bother me as much eh. It's that stare. Okay? Yun. He stares you down.
Thank you.
Nagpa-cute.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. The challenge there, from the get-go, when I was told na I was gonna do a movie with Miss Dawn, I've seen her movies, I've seen her work, so I was just really excited. The thought pa lang of doing this movie, and then dumating yung first day ng shoot, and all her scenes were take one. She was dancing like anything. I was like, oh, ano to? She was so free. I was like, wow. Parang hindi ako nasabihan. Prepared siya. So from then on, I had to shift gears and talagang I had to level up because I had to put something to the table, and ang hirap nung ang katrabaho mo na sobrang batang direktor. But with Miss Dawn there, it was a breeze. Kasi yung sinasabi nga niya yung passion and the kind of respect that we have for our craft. It's important kasi nakikita yung sa trabaho mo kung hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo. And that's one thing I really appreciate about working with Miss Dawn is that nakita ko she's been in the business longer but you can still feel the passion, you can still see the excitement. And dapat yun hindi nawawala. So more than the challenge is the excitement that I felt throughout the shoot, throughout the film, because of what Miss Dawn gave. And I'm serious about that because doon ka boboto sa kasama mo sa trabaho. So, more than it being a challenge, natapos kami after 3 months. So, parang ang bilis-bilis pa rin. So, you can just say na talaga nag-enjoy kami dun sa ginawa namin.
Ang lawak pala ng market ng pelikulang ito, no? Yung paying garantisado na yung paying crowd because of the material. Paano mo i-convince ang younger people, younger audience to watch this? Meron ba silang, what do they get after the millennials versus the titas of Manila, Miss Dawn? Meron bang
It's their,
something?
as G3 said, it's their milieu.
Oh, that's what we have to
No?
tell them now.
Oo. And I think they'd find it also just as interesting. No?
Walang bashing ng millennials dito.
Or hindi, wala.
Wala at
No, we
all.
don't
Or
understand
no
them.
bashing of titas of Manila.
We don't also. Right?
Wow, ang ganda.
We're just really presenting it the way it is. Everyone can relate to it, depending where you are.
Ayun yung gusto kong marinig. Okay, last 2 questions. Okay, si Mars na. Ravelo, charing lang siya.
Malay mo, may past life.
Joke.
First naman.
Mars naman kasi pangalan.
Mars naman planet. Yes, to, syempre, Miss Dawn and Piola, Papa P. Ano pa yung memorable, since you mentioned na Gino is one of the breakthrough